Welcome back. In this part of the tutorial, we see for of. Okay, then let's create for of loop.js. Just to make things very clear, for of used for arrays to iterate arrays. Yeah, now let's compare between for of and just regular for loop. Regular for loop. When we write regular for loop, we use for and then curly bracket. Inside we have, for instance, the initialization, let I is equal to 0 and some condition. We never know the condition, so let's iterate through arrays. Const nums is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have array here, an array of numbers from 1 to 5, and our plan is now to extract each item from the nums array or the numbers. So I less than nums.length and I plus plus. So if I print console.log nums, and then I can access them by their index, because the loop also starts from 0 and it goes up to the last index of the array. So because I is less than the length of this array, so that means the last index. So I, and this should extract each item of the arrays. So let's connect this with the index.html file for of, and let's run. I think it is on the desktop. Let's see, and that's our file, right? So Control Shift I and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great, this is what we want to have. Okay, but how about if we want to use for of instead of for loop? For of is so easy. For const num of nums, and then console.log num. So this gives us the same result. Let's see. As you can see, I can remove the previous result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm getting this value, this result from this code. Great, but this one doesn't give you index of the array, so it just gives you only the item. For instance, if we are interested to multiply each item, and we can get something like this 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So this is how you use, just to make more example. For instance, const countries, and we have Finland and maybe Sweden and maybe Norway, Norway and Denmark. I think this is enough. So just to print out this, you can use const country of countries. It should be like that. Console.log and then country. You can create Finland, Sweden, yes. For instance, if I'm interested in the length of the countries, country.length. Yes, I can get at the same time Finland, and if I am interested to make it to capital, okay, country to upper case, and then if you see something like this, this is how you use for of. I think it's easy to use and very clean. I hope starting from today, whenever you get array, you may start using for, and it makes your code clean and easy to read. And in the next tutorial, we will see for each.